A bottle. A basket. A bowl. A bin. Full. Empty. This basket is empty. These baskets are full. This bottle is empty. These bottles are full. This bowl is empty. These bowls are full. This cup is full. These cups are empty. This bin is empty. These bins are full. That cup is empty. Those cups are full. That bottle is full. Those bottles are empty. That basket is full. Those baskets are empty. That bowl is empty. Those bowls are full. Are these bins full or empty? These bins are full. Are those baskets full or empty? Those baskets are empty. Are these cups full or empty? These cups are empty. Are those bowls full or empty? Those bowls are full. Are those chairs new or old? Those chairs are old. Are these bottles empty or full? These bottles are full. Are those bins empty or full? Those bins are empty. Are these bags full or empty? These bags are full. Are those bowls empty or full? Those bowls are full. Are these baskets full or empty? These baskets are full.